So, got myself a new toy, a 99 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I just got a problem with spending money on stupid shit, I guess. Toys. Not bad though. I already had a 4-inch lift kit, but it rides like shit, so I think some new shocks are in order. It's got mismatched tires, so some tires are in order. But yeah, not bad. It's pretty cush interior too. Like that seat's a little bit torn up, but not bad. But man, this feels like sitting in a lazy boy recliner. My daily is that town car over there, and I would say that this interior rivals that town car in comfort. Overall, it's in pretty good shape for being 23 years old. But yeah, I guess I just needed something that I could use on like the trails and just drive around and do hood rat shit when the feeling hits, you know. These toys I gotta load up and intentionally go to somewhere to do it. This I can, I guess, just whenever I'm driving. Just need something. I wanted something to hit at the trails and to you know, be out of the elements. It's nice having AC and heat and all that stuff. My wife will be comfy, my kids will be comfy. They're not totally sold on the mud life, which I absolutely love. But I got this crew cab Ranger. They never want to go out mudding with me, so maybe I can get them to go out on some dry, mild trails. I got a lot of shit going on. That one just got tuned. I picked that up from Chaos Off-Road, Sean Mahoney. Threw a 3P tune on there to match the 3P clutch kit. I haven't even unloaded it yet. It's been about a week. We'll see how that goes. I'm pretty sure it'll be badass. I'm also half-ass restoring my truck, or at least making it better. I gotta do new hubs, new seals, locker up front to match the locker in back, and then new tires and wheels, maybe a lift on this thing. This is pretty good to go. I gotta redo the bushings on it. Sportsman should be good to go. Jeep already got a lift on it, so I'll see about picking up some mud tires, or mud terrains I should say. And you know, typical Jeep stuff, winch bumper, all that stuff. This is my first Jeep. If you got any experience with it, let me know. I was told the 4.7 is not very reliable, but we'll see. It's only got 135,000 miles on it. It was the cheapest, lowest mileage one I could find on Marketplace, while the other ones are pretty beat up. This one just has some clear coat issues, and that's it. There's a couple seat tears and not really nothing else. The guy had just had the whole front end built, all new ball joints, all new track arm bushings, everything. So hopefully that's good. Looks like it was set up to pull behind an RV. I might have to, I don't know, take that shit off, who knows. We'll see. But yeah, stay tuned. That should be just a different off-road video. I know not everybody likes the off-road videos, or not the off-road videos, but the dry trail videos. I know the ones in my buddy's Jeeps, they never do very good with y'all, but stay tuned. Hopefully I can find something to entertain y'all. I should be taking this out for what do you call it, Mudaholics at River Run in 2 weeks. Hopefully that'll be all right. I'll probably take this one too. Anyways, stay tuned for what I do with the Jeep and all my other shit. I know videos are kind of slow, but I got a lot going on with my wife and stuff, so, or with her accident and all that stuff. So stay tuned. Don't unsubscribe. Just stick around, man. I'll have more content soon, I promise. Thanks for watching.